Archie, students, staff, friends, and family. Chris here with Major Saver. We know the school year is off to a bit of a different start, but we hope that you're having a great start to your school year. We are so excited to be kicking off your Major Saver fundraiser in your school today. Each one of you are going home with a packet. It looks just like this. Please do us a huge favor and put your name, your full name, your teacher's name, and your grade at the top of the packet. That way if it gets lost or misplaced, we can get it back to you as quickly as possible. Put it in your backpack or your take-home folder. Get this out tonight. Share this information with your family. There's a lot of good information on the outside of the packet and the inside of the packet. Inside the packet, you will find your Major Saver flyer for this year's fundraiser. At the top of the packet, you will see a picture of both the front and back of this year's Major Saver card. The card itself costs $15. It has 21 area businesses on it, all offering a buy one, get one free deal or a special discount to the card holder. In addition to the 21 area businesses, we also have the Major Saver app. It has thousands of offers that are reusable that can be used both locally, regionally, and nationwide for those of you that get out and travel. Who are some good people to sell the Major Saver card to? Mom and dads, aunts and uncles, grandparents, friends of the family. If you're involved with sports or activities outside of school and it's cool with them, take this along with you. You might run into someone who doesn't have a student here in the district, so they'll end up buying a Major Saver card from you. Now there are two different options when it comes to someone wanting to purchase a card. Option number one, cash or check. You're gonna put their money in this envelope. You're gonna write their name on the back so you know whose money you have collected. Then on one of the collection days listed here in the upper left-hand corner of your flyer, please bring your money into school on those days. The very first day is next Thursday, October the 29th, and the last day is Monday, November the 2nd. If you have money in your envelope, please bring it in, turn it into the office first thing in the morning. Teachers, if you would, collect them, send them down to the office. The Major Saver rep will stop by. We'll take the money out, we'll put the cards in, the prizes in, and then give you your packet back so you can keep on selling until that last day, Monday, November the 2nd. Option number two, if they want to pay with a credit or debit card, I want to bring your attention here to our contactless ordering program. Simply go to our website, majorsaver.com. You can click on the link that says generate a unique student link. You can then text that link or email that link to friends and family. Maybe your parents can, or you can post it on social media. If they purchase a card by using that link, it will automatically credit you for that sale. We'll mail the card to them and they'll give you the prizes for that sale here at school. Now, a couple quick things before we get to the prizes. On the back side of the packet is a picture of every prize that we offer. But remember, please do not go door-to-door selling and make sure that's okay with your parents. Get their permission before you participate in the Major Saver fundraiser. Now, stay tuned for that prize information. On the back side of your flyer is a picture of our entire prize program. Our prizes range from selling just one little old Major Saver card all the way to selling 40 Major Saver cards. So let's get started. Our prize for selling one card this year, we have our Crazy Twist pencils. They come in all different colors. You can twist them into the craziest of shapes. Again, the Crazy Twist pencil is the prize for selling one Major Saver card. We go from 1 to 3. This one, your parents are gonna love. This is our miniature sport horn. Just simply blow into the hole right here. Oh, as you can see, it's quite loud. This is our prize for selling 3 Major Saver cards, is our miniature sport horn. We go from 3 to 6. Our 6-point prize level this year, we have our cash drawstring backpack. Again, this is the prize for selling 6 Major Saver cards. We go from 6 to 9. At our 9-point prize level, we have our battery operated LED disco bulb. This thing looks awesome in a dark room. After 9, we go to 12. At our 12-point prize level, we have our Globecopter. Just simply turn it on, has LEDs on the inside of it. This thing takes off. You can control it with your hand. I might step off camera here to catch it, but again, this is our 12-point prize. This is the Globecopter for selling 12 Major Saver cards. Back to one your parents are gonna love, our 15-point prize, we will have your own Megaphone. Again, your parents are gonna love it, our 15-point prize, your own personal Megaphone. After 15, we go to 20. Our 20-point prize this year is our Bluetooth speaker buddy. You can connect them to any Bluetooth device and jam out to your favorite tunes. After 20, we go to 25. We have an awesome Nano racing drone. Again, this is the prize for selling 25 Major Saver cards. After 25, we go to 30, and I'm gonna step back here to make sure I've got enough room in the camera This is our inflatable LED remote control chair. You can change the colors of it with your LED remote control, and it doesn't come blown up, so it'll be easy for you guys to get this home in your backpack. After 30, we go to 40. At our 40-point prize level, you're gonna have your choice of 2 different items. The first one is a miniature fridge. It holds about 4 to 6 cans of soda, great for a little living room beside your chair or maybe in your bedroom. Or prize choice number 2 for selling 40 cards, we have our electric razor scooter. This is pretty awesome. It's big, but we'll make sure that you get home with it. Again, this is our prize choice number 2 for selling 40 Major Saver cards. Now, one last item to tell you about. The very first collection day that will be in your school, we have a special bonus prize. It's listed here at the top of your packet. We have our Cosmic Trooper keychains. They come in 12 unique designs, all different crazy alien cosmic troopers. Again, these are a bonus prize for day 1 and day 1 only. You will receive 1 Cosmic Trooper keychain for every card sold between now and that first collection day. If you sell 12 cards, collect them all. If you sell 1 card, get the 1-point prize plus 1 of our Cosmic Trooper keychains. These are pretty cool too. They glow under a black light. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and we'll see you next week.